Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to create a right triangle in Photoshop. Let's begin. See this? Create a new layer and select shape. Right click on your mouse. Use polygon tool and three sides smooth corner star I use. I do not use these options and shop all untick mark this. Then I do not use fill color, only stroke color black. Press enter, then press Ctrl R, roller, then click on drag on your mouse, press Ctrl T again, okay, then place it, and stroke size, press Ctrl D, press Ctrl H, press Ctrl T, resize. And another way, again create a new layer and use rectangle tool, hold shift, selection path, right click, delete anchor point. See this. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Press Ctrl T, left, right.